But of course you need Froot Loops, marshmallows, your favourite sprinkles and butter. So first we need to butter our dish. So I'm going to get some butter on. I have finished buttering my dish, and now you need to melt the butter in the pan. Once that's all melted, you need to melt the marshmallows with the butter, and then you mix in the yummy Froot Loops. Mixed all the things together, you need to put it down into the dish that you've buttered. Whoa, it's so gooey. Let me get this. Oh my. Make sure you put it right down. Wow. Feels so cool, and it's so satisfying watching it to me. So sticky! Oh my god, look at that. It's so sticky. Make sure you push it right down. Put in our dish. It is time to add our favourite sprinkles. You can add sprinkles if you want, you don't have to. So, which one shall we do first, Lexi? That one, pearls. The yummy pink pearls. And the porcelain ones. Let me pour some of those. There we go, and we'll close it up. And we'll go for it. No, I can't. Delicious. Don't eat all of them. Yummy. So now we have decorated with these lovely sprinkles. We need to put it in the fridge for 30 minutes. Oh, I can't wait to eat it after the 30 minutes, so we'll see you later. Bye! So after 30 minutes, this is what it should look like. We'll cut it up into squares. So now we're going to do taste test. I'm going to try this. Really good. So, I'll see you in our next video. Bye.